There are two basic techniques to wiping: the spray and wipe method and the damp wiping method. To spray and wipe, simply spray the surface to be cleaned with an ample amount of product. If using a disinfectant, allow for the proper contact time before wiping, which will be noted on the label. Typically, you'll use the spray and wipe method on surfaces with visible soil, such as urinals and bathroom sinks. For damp wiping, spray the sponge or cloth with the appropriate cleaner. This is the preferred method for disinfecting high-touch areas and dusting. Wipe in a consistent pattern, such as up and down, then back and forth, to ensure that you cover the entire surface. Be sure to overlap your strokes. Whether using the spray and wipe method or the damp wiping method, it is recommended to use colored cloths for specific cleaning tasks and areas, which will limit cross-contamination. The industry standard is to use the red microfiber cloths for cleaning in the restrooms, blue to clean glass and metal items, green for disinfectant cleaning, and yellow for all other tasks.